Is your child struggling with algebra? Or maybe they just need extra practice to build confidence and improve their math skills. Introducing Tuff Algebra by Tuff AI Learning Academy. This engaging course helps students master algebra fundamentals, including variables, equations, functions, graphing, and real-world math applications. Students learn through easy-to-follow lessons designed to break complex concepts into simple, manageable steps. Even better, every student receives access to a free AI-powered Tuff tutor to help reinforce lessons and provide personalized support whenever they need it. With just 20 minutes a day, students build the problem-solving skills and confidence needed for future success in STEM, college, and their careers. Give your child the support they deserve. Enroll in Tuff Algebra today and receive a free AI tutor to help them succeed. Tuff AI Learning Academy. Building confidence, strengthening skills, creating future success.